Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, can we bring the paint back around my 1958 Standard 10? Now, I did have a go earlier this week myself doing it by hand, didn't have a lot of luck, so I phoned the tower in. I've got an expert who knows what he's doing. His name's Justin, he works at Bewley Garage in Hampshire. His expertise knows exactly what he's doing, so with his help we can bring this paint back around. Fingers crossed. Let's see how we get on. Well, I've stepped it up a gear, I've switched to Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, and that has just made a difference. It's like night and day, guys. That's just one part of the Meguiar's. Compare that to the bonnet. Could really do with a decent full-size mop, but I'm just going to carry on and get greasy. So this is Justin from Bewley Garage. He's the expert I've got to hopefully bring this paint back around. So, for the benefit of the viewers, Justin, for older paintwork like this, you're not too sure how it's going to react to a mop. What would you recommend in the first instance?
Do a little bit by hand.
Yeah.
Generally, try a little bit by hand. Try a corner, somewhere down low, somewhere that's out of sight, just to see what the paint responds like. And then when you're confident that you know that it's going to be okay, try it with a mop. Just do it slowly, take it gently, and see how you get on.
In terms of compound, what would you recommend?
I use a G3 Advance on older paint. I think it seems to be quite good. It responds quite well. Different foam mop heads and stuff can make a big difference as well.
Right.
But I just use a regular orange medium compound head, and the G3 Advance. Nothing too hard, because you will with this older paint with the cellulose and that, you will just whip it straight off of the edge. It will burn straight through. So.
Right.
So as you can see, this paint is very, very oxidised. It's probably the original paint to the car. It's very cloudy and milky. So what we're going to do now is we'll touch this with some G3 and we'll see what that comes up like, and hopefully we'll have a good result and we can carry on with the rest of the car. So let's have a go. Now I didn't apply a lot of pressure there, and as you can see instantly that has come up real nice. You can see the cloudiness in the original bit that I haven't touched yet, and you can see this bit here where I have done it. So yeah, I'm quite happy that we'll be able to pull a nice bit of shine out of this car. And then we'll go over this with a finishing glaze, which will take any sort of holograms that the compounding head might leave behind, and also bring a little bit more luster out of it also. So
Good stuff.
Let's carry on.
out some dust this thing.
Yeah.
If I can get it ready.
But that's not bad. That's not bad at all.
So I've washed off and chamoised the car and got rid of any fallout from the mop. I'm now trying some easy wax just to see how the paintwork reacts, and spoilers, it's coming out really well. What a difference, guys. It's still not perfect, but it's miles from where it was. Just to have some sort of remnants of shine from decades old paint is just remarkable. I think we can all agree, what a transformation, guys. Thank you to Justin at Beauty Garage. I'll put a link to his website in the description. But yeah, overjoyed with that. Loads better. Right, cup of tea time. Thanks for watching, guys. I shall see you soon with some more content on Stan and George. Until then, take care.